needed deodorant. Now it's gonna be great. That's a secret. That's all, I promise. No, one more, just one more. In the UK, not be everybody will carry bag, now put computer inside. Some of them they carry food stuff, some of them they carry clothes, they just hang bag. When you go out and you go without your shopping bag, you probably have to pay for bag, which is like 30p. So you won't belong.
Father, hey God, I did live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things where my guys they do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Hotel no do paso. Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? Despite no do paso, Ajipon no do paso. Bollare no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? I dey clear my line go on daily basis. Things I've been through got me feeling like Matrix. I know numbers, I good in mathematics. It's all about the papers, got you for no D's. Notice, see, I not be novice. Back I'm in the building, I mean the wrong things. Trying to be a good example to these young kids. My own kids, something like philanthropist. I get big man money, waffle hard side dish. Oatmeal in the morning, no gari and fried fish. The fattest, I'm dope and classic. Got my basic, check the book of Moses with my glasses. Focus on my grasses, I'm a mad piece. I don't speak jack by janties. I replace self the track before I fly. I'm not gonna let anybody tell me so I know the track. I live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things with my guys that do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Hotel no do paso. Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink capsule? My matter did their head like saying a quakere. They say you tell me Sabi or Mokekere.
Yo, so guys, I'm at the city center. I just want to grab a few items from Poundland. Where do I start from? So this is not a shopping spree. This one is on budget. I'm just buying some necessary items that I need. I need a detergent for washing. Where is it? Okay, it should be on the next side. This one I really got the last time and I loved it. So I just picked that up again. Yeah, easy. This one. Yes. What else? I have to look into my phone. I wrote this stuff down. Just a moment. Deodorant. Rock. Should I try this time? Yeah. So if you want to smell good, once you see the purple lavender color, now it's gonna be great. That's a secret. And that goes for everything, air freshener and everything. Yeah, I mean everything. So no. Already got that. So that's all I've been eating today from Poundland and malts.
nothing better though, isn't it? You're lacking in general.
Refresh your wardrobes and slap up a seal with huge offers on selected women's, men's and kids' clothing in store now.
Yeah, man, cool. I got the sweet split and I got the crisp down at the back. Where we put it.
하나를 다시 얻어보고
That's all, I promise. No, one more, just one more. This one. Salad. It's only expired 19, so that's good. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Just one more. This is plum. That's all. That's all. One more. It's just oat. My oat is almost finished, so I'm just buying this.
Down here as well, guys.
Quantity needed.
Come on, my love.
Oh, I need to swap this out.
How many coins? No coins.
Please take your change.
Down here as well, guys. Come down here.
Told you I was quick. Told you I won't be long. Yeah. So the reason I'm smiling is because in the UK, not be everybody will carry bag and put computer inside. Some of them they carry food stuff, some of them they carry clothes, some of them they, it's just hang bag. Because when you go out and you go without your shopping bag, you probably have to pay for a bag, which is like 30 pence, and when I checked my room the other day, I gave almost 10 of them, and I was like, why? So I learned this from my Indian friend Oswin. Shout out to you. You're the one you always carry bag anytime you go out for shopping, and I started doing it as well because it's saving a lot, saving 30p. So that's it. I told you I won't be long. I told you I won't be long.